Hey everyone, welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this to train your listening and comprehension as I speak. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, we're going to talk about learning English. Learning English can be fun, easy, and exciting. But sometimes, it can also feel hard. And that's okay. That's normal. Sometimes I feel tired when I learn something new. Sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough. But guess what? You are learning. You are trying. And that's amazing. Let's take it slow. Let's learn together. So what is English learning? It means learning to speak, listen, read, and write in English. Many people learn English every day. Maybe you need English for work, maybe for travel, or maybe just for fun. Whatever your reason is, and it's a good reason, you are doing something great for your future. Let's start with something small. Let's start with words. Learn 5 new words today. Just 5, not 50, not 100, just 5. Repeat the words. Say them again and again. You can say them in the morning. You can say them at night. Use the words in a sentence. Say them out loud. Even if you are alone, say them out loud. Your brain will remember. Your mouth will remember too. Now let's talk about listening. Listening is very important. When you listen to English, your brain learns sounds. Your brain learns rhythm. So, listen to English every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. You can listen when you are cooking. You can listen when you are walking. You can listen to songs. You can listen to stories. You can listen to people talking slowly. Like me, it's okay. If you don't understand every word, that's normal. Don't worry, just try to understand the main idea. Just try to feel the rhythm. Now let's talk about speaking. Speaking is hard for many people. That's okay. That's normal too. You are not alone. Sometimes I feel shy when I speak a new language. Sometimes I make mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. Just speak. 1 word, 2 words, a small sentence. That's a great start. That's how we grow. You can speak to yourself. You can speak to your mirror. You can record your voice. Then listen and say it again. Now, let's talk about reading. Reading helps you learn new words. You can read books, you can read short stories, you can read signs. You can read menus. English is everywhere. Start with easy things. Don't choose a big book at first. Choose something simple. Choose something fun. And finally, writing. Writing helps you remember. You can write new words. You can write sentences. You can write about your day. You can write what you feel. Use a notebook. Keep your English journal. Write just 1 sentence a day. That's enough. That's progress. Remember, English learning is not fast. It takes time. It takes love. Be kind to yourself. Take small steps. Some days will be easy. Some days will be hard. But every day you learn, you become better. You are not alone on this journey. We are all learning, and you, yes, you, are doing great, really. I mean it. Keep going. Don't give up. English is your friend, and I am here to help you. So, let's review. Learn a few new words. Listen every day. Speak, even if you are shy. Read simple things. Write 1 small sentence. You can do it. I believe in you. Thank you for listening today. I'm proud of you. You're making progress step by step. Every little step matters. Listen again if you want to practice more. And remember, English is a journey. Enjoy the journey. You are amazing. You are strong. And you are learning. If you liked this video, leave a comment and tell me. Why do you want to learn English? I would love to read your answer. See you next time. Bye for now.